أولئك يسارعون في الخيرات وهم لها سابقون.
It is these who hasten to do good works and vie in so doing with one another.
ولا نكلف نفسا إلا وسعها ولدينا كتاب ينطق بالحق وهم لا يظلمون.
We do not lay a burden on anyone beyond his capacity. We have a book with us that speaks the truth about everyone, and they shall in no wise be wronged.
بل قلوبهم في غمرة من هذا ولهم أعمال من دون ذلك هم لها عاملون.
Nay, their hearts are lost in ignorance of all this, and their deeds too vary from the way mentioned above. They will persist in these deeds.
حتى إذا أخذنا مترفيهم بالعذاب إذا هم يجأرون.
Until we seize with our chastisement those of them that are given to luxuriant ways, they will then begin to groan.
لا تجأروا اليوم إنكم منا لا تنصرون.
Put a stop to your groaning now. Surely no help shall be provided to you from us.
قد كانت آياتي تتلى عليكم فكنتم على أعقابكم تنكصون.
My signs were rehearsed to you, and you turned back on your heels and took to flight.
مستكبرين به سامرا تهجرون.
Behaving arrogantly and making fun and talking nonsense about the book in your nightly chats.
أفلم يدبروا القول أم جاءهم ما لم يأت آباءهم الأولين.
Did they never ponder over this word of God? Or has he, to wit the messenger, brought something the like of which did not come to their forefathers of yore?
أم لم يعرفوا رسولهم فهم له منكرون.
Or is it that they were unaware of their messenger and were therefore repelled by him, for he was a stranger to them?
أم يقولون به جنة بل جاءهم بالحق وأكثرهم للحق كارهون.
Or do they say that there's madness in him? Nay, he has brought them the truth, and it is the truth that most of them disdain.
ولو اتبع الحق أهواءهم لفسدت السماوات والأرض ومن فيهن بل أتيناهم بذكرهم فهم عن ذكرهم معرضون.
Were the truth to follow their desires, the order of the heavens and the earth and those who dwell in them would have been ruined. Nay, the fact is that we have brought to them their own remembrance, and yet it is from their own remembrance that they are turning away.
أم تسألهم خرجا فخراج ربك خير وهو خير الرازقين.
Are you asking them for something? What Allah has given you is the best. He is the best of providers.
وإنك لتدعوهم إلى صراط مستقيم مستقيم.
You are calling them to a straight way.
وإن الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة عن الصراط لناكبون.
But those who do not believe in the hereafter are ever prone to deviate from the right way.
ولو رحمناهم وكشفنا ما بهم من ضر للجوا في طغيانهم يعمهون.
Were we to be merciful to them and remove from them their present afflictions, they would persist in their transgression, blindly wandering on.
ولقد أخذناهم بالعذاب فما استكانوا لربهم وما يتضرعون.
They are such that we seized them with chastisement, and yet they did not humble themselves before their Lord, nor do they entreat.
حتى إذا فتحنا عليهم بابا ذا عذاب شديد إذا هم فيه مبلسون.
Until we opened upon them the door of a severe chastisement, then lo, in this state they become utterly despaired of any good.
وهو الذي أنشأ لكم السمع والأبصار والأفئدة قليلا ما تشكرون.
It is He who has endowed you with the faculties of hearing and sight and has given you hearts to think. Scarcely do you give thanks.
وهو الذي ذرأكم في الأرض وإليه تحشرون.
It is He who has dispersed you all around the earth, and it is unto Him that you shall all be mustered.
وهو الذي يحيي ويميت وله اختلاف الليل والنهار أفلا تعقلون.
It is He who gives life and causes death, and He holds mastery over the alternation of night and day. Do you not understand this?
بل قالوا مثل ما قال الأولون.
Nay, but they say the like of what their predecessors of yore had said.
قالوا أإذا متنا وكنا ترابا وعظاما أإنا لمبعوثون.
They say, is it that when we are dead and have been reduced to dust and bones, shall we then be raised up again?
لقد وعدنا نحن وآباؤنا هذا من قبل إن هذا إلا أساطير الأولين.
We were promised such things, and so were our forefathers before us. All these are no more than tales of the past.
قل لمن الأرض ومن فيها إن كنتم تعلمون.
Ask them, whose is the earth and those who are in it? Tell us if you know.
سيقولون لله قل أفلا تذكرون.
They will surely say, Allah's. Say, then why do you not take heed?
قل من رب السماوات السبع ورب العرش العظيم.
Ask them, who is the Lord of the seven heavens, the Lord of the great throne?
سيقولون لله قل أفلا تتقون.
They will surely say, Allah. Say, will you not then fear Allah?
قل من بيده ملكوت كل شيء وهو يجير ولا
them, say, if you indeed know to whom belongs the dominion over all things, who is it that grants asylum, but against whom no asylum is available?
سيقولون لله قل فأنا تسحرون.
They will surely say, the dominion over all things belongs to Allah. Say, whence are you then deluded?
بل أتيناهم بالحق وإنهم لكاذبون.
We have brought before them the truth, and there's no doubt that they are lying.